it's your boy Kalep.
And your girl Jasmine.
And we back with another video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Man, subscribe. Yeah, man, what you doing? What you really doing?
What you really doing?
As y'all can tell by that title, man, we gonna be doing a try not to laugh challenge, but we gonna be making weird noises. So we gotta try to keep a straight face.
It's gonna be hard.
We gonna be going back and forth, making noises, and yeah.
The song is stupid. We can't laugh. We gotta try to hold it in. But
so
you know me, I'm probably gonna laugh.
We gotta make it interesting though, like the best, what, 2 out of 3? You wanna say that?
Yeah.
Whoever laughs 2 times out of 3 times basically loses. You put it like that?
Mm-hmm.
We win. We need to win something, like
right.
We win, y'all. How about a date?
Okay.
So whoever win owes them a date. Cool.
Okay.
Alright. So grinning, I think grinning is allowed. You can grin. You laugh, you know what I'm saying? It's different. Or do we have to keep a straight face?
Yeah, keep a straight face.
Oh yeah, so no grin. Okay, no grinning then. We gotta keep a straight face. I guess that's cool. Alright, so we're gonna get right into this video, man. We gonna take our legs off. Let's do it, man. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bam.
You always pick scissors.
Alright, come on.
So I'm going first.
Yeah. That's one. That's one. That's one.
Get back!
Bruno, sit down. Alright, my turn. You owe me a date. You owe me a date.
No,
you lost. You already lost. You gonna keep going.
No.
So. You owe me a date. Fuck that. You owe me a date. You already lost. We gonna keep going though. We gonna keep it going.
Watch out. My turn.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, hold on.
Alright, come on.
Okay, hold on.
Alright, come on. You already did that. You gotta come with something else. Alright. First off, you went out of turn. First off. Let's get that out the door. You went out of turn first off. Now I gotta go 2 times. I gotta catch up. Baby girl! Alright, come on. I thought that was you for real. Sound like you taking a shit. Sound like you constipated. Alright. Okay. No. That's lame.
Yeah, no.
I thought it was playing a scary movie or some shit. Oh, move, bro. That's it again. No way. Do not look like that again. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? I got my last one, y'all. Lame. Fuck you, man. We gonna end this video, man.
Alright, y'all, that was it.
If y'all feel like that was lame, it's cool, whatever. We still gonna post it. But no, I was just playing. If y'all new to the channel, man, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to notify y'all when we post more videos. We'll see y'all next time.
Gone.